In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add any amount of fund into Steam account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to choose a preset or custom amount, and what to look for before you confirm, so you can get back to gaming with zero confusion. Start by opening the Steam client and signing in. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the window and click your profile name. From the menu that appears, select Account Details. This takes you to your account management area, where you can see your balance, purchase history, and all billing-related options. On the Account Details page, find and click the option labeled Add Funds to your Steam wallet. That opens the funding page. Here, you'll see preset amounts like $5, $10, or $25, depending on your region. If you want a specific value, look for the custom amount box and enter the number you want above the minimum allowed. Minimums vary by currency, so if the button is grayed out, you may need to increase the amount slightly. Take a second to double-check your currency and the format. Some regions use commas instead of periods for decimals. Next, choose your payment method. Steam supports popular options such as credit or debit cards and PayPal, but available methods can vary by country. Once you pick one, you may be asked for standard billing details or to complete a quick security check. Make sure the information matches your billing address to avoid a decline. If you use two-factor authentication, keep your device handy for any verification prompts. Before you finalize, review the transaction summary carefully. Confirm the amount, the currency, and any applicable taxes or fees. You'll also see a link to the Steam subscriber agreement. Tick the box to agree. It's worth noting that wallet funds are generally non-refundable to your payment method once added, though individual purchases made with wallet funds may have their own refund policies. When everything looks good, click to confirm the purchase. In most cases, your Steam wallet updates instantly. If you don't see the balance immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page. You'll receive a receipt for your records, and you can always revisit account details to view your purchase history. That's it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next purchase.